In today's video, we're going to cover the top 10 Udemy courses for graphic design in 2024. For those that are unfamiliar, Udemy is an online learning platform that offers a wide range of courses tailored to various skill levels in different industries as well. If you're looking to fine-tune your graphic design skills, Udemy has something to offer. Whether you're a beginner just getting started or an experienced designer looking to expand your skills, these courses are going to help you hone your craft and stay ahead of industry trends. Stick around until the end because I'm going to be sharing how you can get the best price possible with these courses. Let's dive in. The first course we're going to dive into is the Graphic Design Masterclass. So this is the ultimate graphic design course, which covers Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, design theory, branding, and logo design. So this course has a super high rating of 4.6, and there are over 65,000 ratings and over 250,000 learners. In this course, you are going to learn a variety of topics, but by the end, you're going to have a deep understanding of typography, color theory, photos, layout, blocking, and other design theory skills. You're also going to learn how to create logos and branding packages for potential clients. You're going to learn how to work with Photoshop mockups to create great presentations. You're also going to learn how to work through the entire package design process, as well as learn word mapping and brainstorming techniques to increase your creativity, and so much more. This course offers so much information, which is why it's so highly rated. This course includes 30 hours of on-demand videos, an article, 56 downloadable resources, access on mobile and TV. You also get a certification of completion. This course has 36 sections and about 30 hours of total content, so it is going to take you some time, but since you can see all of the time allocations, you'll be able to fit them into your calendar as needed. If you want to purchase this course on its own, it's $24.99 and it's currently 84% off, or you can access the premium features, which this course is included in. I'll show you how to get access to the premium courses as well. Moving on to course number 2, and this is the Complete Graphic Design Theory for Beginners course. This course has a rating of 4.5 and has almost 20,000 ratings. There's also close to 100,000 learners. So this course is highly sought after. In this course, you are going to have intermediate to expert level knowledge of graphic design theory, so you can apply it to your current job or career or hobby. You're also going to be given real world applicable projects that you can follow along with practice. You're also going to learn about logo design and branding, as well as the legal side of design. You're going to learn how to make sure you're protected with copyright and trademarks. You're also going to learn some new design trends, as well as achieve the experience and knowledge to take graphic design fundamentals and apply them to your everyday life, and so much more. This course is packed with information. This course includes 10 hours of on-demand video, 1 article, 14 downloadable resources. You also can access mobile and TV, as well as you get a certification of completion. This course has about 10 hours of content, but you can see they're separated into 13 sections, starting with Welcome to Graphic Design Theory for Beginners, How to Become a Graphic Designer, Color Theory, Typography Theory, Layout Theory, Logo Design and Branding, and so much more. And here you can see you have the time, so you can also begin to plan out in your calendar. Moving on to number 3 is the Adobe Illustrator Essentials Training course. This course is going to help you learn Adobe Illustrator CC graphic design, logo design, and more with this in-depth, super practical, easy to follow course. So this course has about 30,000 ratings and has a score of 4.8, which is super high, and there are 120,000 learners. In this course, you're going to be able to add Illustrator to your CV. You will also have over 30 of your own projects to add to your portfolio, as well as be able to navigate Adobe Illustrator like a pro. You are going to master advanced Illustrator tools and techniques and make all of your ideas come to life. You are going to create your own logos and just create so much and become really advanced at. You are going to learn how to illustrate animals, draw with pens and pencils, and so much more. Again, this course is packed with information as well. This course includes 12 hours of on-demand video, assignments, 1 article, one downloadable resource, access to mobile and TV, as well as a certification of completion. Here you can see the course content is broken down into 15 sections. So there is a getting started section, then you'll go over drawing, artificial intelligence, pen and curvature tool, stroke, pencil, and brushes, and so much more. And they really go into depth on everything. Moving on to number 4 is Adobe Illustrator Advanced Training course. So this is the next level up for Adobe Illustrator. This course has over 10,000 ratings and a 4.8 score and over 56,000 learners. In this course, you are going to learn how to use text to pattern AI, when to use the scissor tool, eraser tool, and knife tool, the differences between Pathfinder and Shape Builder, advanced pen tool tricks, graphic styles, gradient in text, how to proof colors, how to work with images and blending modes, and so much more. This course includes 10 hours of on-demand video, assignments, one downloadable resource, access to mobile and TV, as well as a certification of completion. This course is sectioned into 17 sections, and as you can see, we have overview, getting started, AI, artificial intelligence, drawing, keyboard shortcuts, colors and patterns, and so much more. Since this is the advanced training, I would definitely recommend taking the intermediate one first if you aren't familiar with Adobe Illustrator. Moving on to number 5, this is the Canva Master Course 2024. Learn Canva with Ronnie. This is so you can master Canva's latest AI and design tools and create stunning graphics, videos, and websites with an ex-Canva employee. This course has over 10,000 ratings and has a 4.7 star rating, and there are almost 60,000 learners. In this course, you are going to learn how to use all of the latest AI features as well as what's new in Canva, and you'll also be able to create 18 visuals you need to promote your business, as well as learn fundamentals of Canva and graphic design, all while having fun. This course includes 29 hours of on-demand video, an article, as well as a certification of completion. This course is sectioned off into 12 different sections. Here you can see why you need Canva, Canva fundamentals, Canva's AI features, creating your brand identity, designing for social media, designing your website, and so much more. Moving on to number 6 is Adobe Photoshop Essentials Training course. So this course is going to teach you how to use Photoshop, retouching, as well as Photoshop for graphic design. You are going to learn so much in this course, but a couple of examples of what you're going to learn is how to start making money from your Photoshop skills. You will also have over 20 of your own projects to add to your portfolio. You will be able to add Photoshop to your resume. You are also going to learn to create social media posts, images, Facebook. You're going to learn to create popular visual styles as well as graphics from scratch, and so much more. This course has over 34,000 ratings and a score of 4.8 with 139,000 learners. This course includes 11 and a half hours of on-demand video, as well as assignments to go along and a whole bunch of downloadable resources, and you also get a certificate of completion once you finished. The course is laid out in 21 different sections. So here you can see they have a getting started section, as well as learning layers and color adjustment layers, generative AI, shapes, text, cropping, and so much more. If you want to purchase this course, it's $29.99, but wait until the end where I'll show you how to get access to all premium features. Moving on to number 7, and this is the Adobe Photoshop Advanced Training course. So this is the next step up from the essentials that we just talked about. This has over 10,000 ratings and a score of 4.8. You are going to learn advanced Photoshop techniques like Photoshop retouching and graphic design tutorials. In this course, you are going to be able to use your new Photoshop skills. You'll also be able to add advanced Photoshop to your resume. You are going to learn how to mask people with one click, and you're going to be able to create amazingly realistic shadows, make blurry images sharp and focused. You're going to learn how to master advanced curves and levels. You'll be able to edit video in Photoshop and so much more. This course includes over 15 hours of on-demand video, assignments to go along, as well as a ton of downloadable resources, as well as getting a certificate of completion once you're done. This course is laid out into 18 different sections. As you can see, there is a getting started section, sections about advanced masking, generative AI, color, typography, and so much more. Moving on to number 8, and this is the Design Rules course, all on principles and practice for great UI design. This course has over over 14,000 ratings and a 4.6 rating review. As you can see, this is also a bestseller. What you're going to learn in this course is to create useful, usable, and visual compelling UI designs for any kind of app, site, or system. You're going to learn how to apply the principle of alignment to lead the user's eye and speed task completion. You're going to learn how to choose the right colors for any UI design. You're also going to learn how colors communicate and influence interaction, as well as learn and apply 6 rules for great data design, and learn how to visually separate content from controls to make interactions easier for users to understand and act on. This course includes 5 hours of on-demand video, as well as a certification of completion. The course is laid out into 6 different sections, so as you can see, starting off with ground rules and what you need to know up front, as well as organizing visual information, using color and contrast appropriately, and designing with typography and imagery, as well as creating and simplifying visual cues. Moving on to number 9, which is Logo Design Mastery in Adobe Illustrator. In this course, you are going to learn logo design theory. You're going to learn different logo design categories and styles, as well as the power of color psychology in logo design. You're also going to learn several ways to find new logo design clients and how to work with color in selecting your color palette, and so much more. This course includes 6 hours of on-demand video, 21 downloadable resources, and you get a certification of completion once you are done. The content of this course is laid out into 10 different sections, and it starts with the course guide and resources, logo design theory, Adobe Illustrator tools overview, the logo design process, as well as working with mockups and creating polished presentations, and finding clients guide. There's even a bonus lesson at the end. Last but not least is the graphic design mastery, AI, Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. So this course is for beginners, and it includes graphic design theories like mentioned, Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, AI, and creative thinking. This has a 4.4 rating and has over 4,000 ratings. In this course, you are going to learn graphic design theories, grid system, color theory, how to create brochures, catalogs, and flyers, and how to work like a professional in Photoshop, and so much more. This course includes 9 different sections. So here you can see it starts off with graphic design introduction and graphic design resources, and then it goes into graphic design theories, Photoshop creative design, Photoshop essentials, and so much more. This course is packed with information. If you want to get started with any of these courses, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description. Let's go ahead and take a look at the different pricing plans. So here you can see they have a few different options. A personal plan starts at $20 a month, paid monthly or annually, and you can cancel at any time. You get access to 12,000 plus top courses. You also get certification prep, as well as goal focus recommendations and AI powered coding exercises. If you have a team, they also do have a team plan, and this is from 2 to 20 people. And this is $30 a month per user, billed annually, and again, you can cancel at any time. This plan gives you access to 12,000 top courses, certification prep, goal focus recommendations, AI powered coding exercises, as well as analytics and adoption reports. Next up is the enterprise plan, and this is for a whole organization. So this is for more than 20 people. You do have to contact sales for the pricing, but what's included is access to 27,000 plus top courses. You also get certification prep, everything that's included in the personal and team plan, plus a dedicated customer success team, international course collection featuring 15 languages, customizable content, hands-on tech training with the add-on, as well as strategic implementation services with an add-on. Moving on to Leadership Academy, this is for cohort programs to develop your leaders. So this is groups of 25 or more. Again, you do have to contact sales for the pricing. With the Leadership Academy plan, you get expert-led leadership training, research-based content creation, applied learning toolkits, and group coaching. You also get live virtual events, AI-powered analytics and insights, and a strategic implementation services with add-on. As you can see, there is so many plans to choose from depending on your needs. If you want to get access to the best price possible, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description to get started. That covers the top 10 graphic design courses in Udemy for 2024. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel and leave a comment with any comments or questions below. This channel is dedicated to helping you find the best courses for your needs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.